To adjust the Phantom Wallet extension, you need to have the extension installed in your browser. Start by opening your browser and clicking on the Phantom Wallet icon, usually located in the top right corner. This will open the Phantom Wallet interface. In the Phantom Wallet interface, you will see several options, including account balance, transaction history, and settings. To adjust the Phantom Wallet extension, click on the Settings option. This will take you to a new page where you can customize various settings. The first setting you can adjust is the network setting. Phantom Wallet allows you to connect to different blockchain networks, such as the Solana network. To change the network, click on the Network drop-down menu and select the network you want to connect to. Another setting you can adjust is the account setting. Phantom Wallet allows you to create and manage multiple accounts. To add a new account, click on the Add Account button and follow the prompts. You can also rename or delete existing accounts. You can also adjust the notification settings. Phantom Wallet provides notifications for various events, such as incoming transactions. To customize the notification settings, click on the Notification drop-down menu and select the types of notifications you want to receive. In addition to these settings, Phantom Wallet also provides advanced settings, such as the ability to connect to a hardware wallet or adjust the transaction timeout. To access these settings, click on the Advanced Settings option. To ensure the security of your Phantom Wallet, it is recommended that you use a strong password and enable two-factor authentication. You should also keep your Phantom Wallet software up to date to protect against any security vulnerabilities. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the Phantom Wallet extension to suit your needs. Remember to always prioritize security and keep your wallet software up to date to protect your assets.